Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare iodine solution at home. First, prioritize safety by gathering your materials in a well-ventilated area. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent skin contact or irritation. Having these safety measures in place ensures a secure and controlled environment for your preparation. This is crucial before handling any chemicals. Next, accurate measurement is key for a proper solution. Carefully weigh out 1 gram of pure iodine crystals using a precise digital scale. Then, measure 100 milliliters of distilled water. It's important to use distilled water for purity. Have a clean, dark glass bottle ready. This will be perfect for both mixing and storing your solution safely. Now, let's mix the solution. Carefully add the 1 gram of iodine crystals into the 100 milliliters of distilled water in your dark glass bottle. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly until all the iodine crystals have completely dissolved. Avoid shaking vigorously, as this can create fumes and splashes. Patience here ensures a uniform and effective solution. Finally, proper storage and usage are vital. Store your freshly prepared iodine solution in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its stability. Clearly label the bottle with its contents and the date it was made. Always use the solution responsibly and strictly according to its intended purpose and recommended guidelines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.